Oatmeal has been praised for years, but after 60, it might not be your best friend anymore.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah, and today I'll show you a better breakfast that builds strength and fights muscle loss.
Oatmeal fills your stomach, yes, but it doesn't give your muscles what they truly need. Protein.
After 60, your body needs protein first thing in the morning to stop muscle breakdown.
Without enough protein, your body breaks down muscle tissue just to create energy. The musculoskeletal system provides form, support, stability, and movement to the body.
Eggs are nature's perfect muscle-building food, rich in leucine, the amino acid that starts repair.
2 eggs give you about 12 grams of complete, easily absorbable protein.
Cottage cheese gives your muscles slow, steady fuel through the morning.
That's because cottage cheese has casein protein, and it keeps your body in muscle-building mode longer.
It's gentle on digestion, too. Great for anyone who struggles with heavy foods.
One of the best things you can do for your health is to include more leafy greens in your diet.
These greens give your body magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants that reduce cramps and pain.
Even a handful of greens daily can help keep your legs and joints strong.
This simple meal fights sarcopenia, the muscle loss that makes us weak as we age.
Nieuwervings en Waarverschifferescence. We're here to help you achieve your goals.
Oatmeal gives quick energy. Protein gives lasting strength.
After 60, you need more protein, and you need it early in the day.
My patients say they feel steadier, stronger, and more active within weeks.
So tomorrow morning, skip the oats and start with eggs, cottage cheese, and greens.
Your body is most ready to rebuild right after waking up.
Studies show morning protein protects your strength far better than skipping breakfast. Start your day with real protein, and you will feel the difference in every step.
Every breakfast is a choice. Build your body or break it down.
Protein signals your body to rebuild stronger muscles, even if you don't go to the gym.
Nutrition is your foundation. Movement just amplifies it.
Keep it fun. Add herbs, mushrooms, or a touch of cinnamon to your meal.
Healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Make it tasty and powerful.
If you love oats, add protein powder or cottage cheese to balance it. Protein builds. Carbs fuel. Together, they keep your energy steady all day.
A strong breakfast makes every movement easier and every day brighter.
I've seen people in their 70s regain strength they thought was gone just by changing breakfast.
At night, your body repairs what you built during the day. Give it the right fuel.
This is how we fight sarcopenia, not with pills, but with smarter nutrition.
A balanced meal and simple movement, that's the secret to longevity.
You don't need perfection, just consistency. Eat smart, move daily.
Each healthy morning adds more strength, more independence, more life.
Your breakfast is your first medicine. Treat it like it matters.
Strong mornings create strong years. Choose wisely.
Skip the oatmeal tomorrow. Choose eggs, cottage cheese,
And greens, your muscles will thank you. Subscribe for more daily health wisdom.